Through cell phone video, prosecutors brought Freddie Gray into the courtroom. State witness Brandon Ross, a longtime friend of Gray's, witnessed his arrest and took cell phone video of the second stop of the police van. As prosecutors played the videos, Ross sat shaking his head. He appeared to be shaking. Court testimony indicates the video depicts the last time Ross saw his friend alive.
Freddie's dead, and he's not here to tell his side of it, so the court system is the way that we have to get that done.
Ross's testimony provided a stark contrast to the hostile environment the defense claims the police encountered. During the arrest, Officer William Porter pointed out Lieutenant Rice to Ross as his supervisor. Ross wanted to complain about the arrest and treatment of Gray. "I told him I wanted someone else because Lieutenant Rice was part of the problem." Ross claims Lieutenant Rice approached him saying, "Leave before I lock you up." He then reached for his taser. Prosecutors asked Ross about Lieutenant Rice's tone of voice. Aggressive, threatening, like I had done something wrong. Pardon my language, he was acting like a jerk. Earlier in the day, prosecutors called Detective Michael Boyd. He was part of the police task force investigating the police in custody death. He interviewed Lieutenant Rice, yet prosecutors didn't play it in court.
It is entirely possible that they don't plan to introduce Lieutenant Rice's statement because it's not inculpatory. So we have to wait and see.
Spinal injury expert Dr. Morris Max-Soriano testified Gray's spinal cord was not severed, leaving him limited ability to speak, but would be hungry for air. The reference is important because it's the only one that comes close to a statement Porter allegedly made to a detective indicating Gray said he couldn't breathe. The judge ruled in favor of a previous defense motion not to allow the statement. Dr. Soriano wanted to repeat it and had to remind the judge he was told he couldn't.
And I think he made the necessary changes to present himself in a much more coherent and credible fashion.
Officers William Porter and Edward Nero were spotted outside the courtroom. Porter has limited immunity. He is compelled to testify. Nero stands acquitted. The trial resumes Monday at 9:30. Reporting live from Courthouse East, David Collins, WBAL TV 11 News.